Hey y'all, my name is Kevin Christensen and I'm a luxury buyer's agent for the Dana Pollard Group. Today I'm going to be talking to you about townhomes for sale in Frisco, Texas.
Frisco, Texas is one of the most rapid growing cities in the DFW area. Tune in all the way to the end to see highlights and hot spots of town.
Today we're in Legacy West, where we're just walking distance from one of the 3 communities that we're going to be showing you today. Legacy West is known for its luxurious outdoor shopping, its central location to the Dallas Northern metropolitan area, and the array of food that we have here at Legacy Hall just off to my left.
Legacy Hall is a 3-story food court in Legacy West, providing lots of dining options. The first floor is filled with restaurants of every type except chain stores. One of its key attributes is remaining to have mom and pop shops catering to every style of food.
Right now I'm at the Villas at Legacy West, where I just grabbed lunch 2 blocks down the street from. And one of my favorite things about this community is that it's located off the $1 Billion Mile. The reason that they call it that is there's so much entertainment, shopping, and food centrally located to us within walking distance.
Join me as we tour this Britain model home. The villas at Legacy West range from $600,000 to $1.6 million. This community is in their closeout phase of their new home construction, so be sure to fill out the Dream Home questionnaire below in the description and let us know you want to be in the villas at Legacy West. We are starting to see some pre-owned homes available for sale in this neighborhood also. Follow me to the second of 3 floors where our main living space is. As we make our way through, you will notice lots of natural light pouring in throughout the home. This is because we are in villas instead of townhomes. By definition, a townhome is a multi-story house in a modern housing development attached to one or more similar houses shared by a wall. In our Villas series, we have minimal space between homes, but 5 feet is all you need on each side for peace and quiet. No longer are the days of having to worry about hearing your neighbors. These villas spread from 2,000 square feet up to 4,500 square feet, accommodating most size families. Each villa also has a 2-car attached garage. As we approach the 3rd floor, you'll have plenty of space to entertain, alongside a bar, media room, and outdoor patio. Legacy West is one of the hottest entertainment areas around, comparable to Rodeo Drive in Beverly Hills.
Here behind me, we have the Ford Center, where the Dallas Cowboys practice at. Now, you may have heard that the Cowboys Stadium is in Arlington, but right now we are in Frisco, Texas, where many of the players also live. To my right, we have the corporate headquarters, and to my left is the Omni Hotel, where many of our clients actually enjoy staying because we have some nice eatery and we're centrally located to the Metroplex.
The Star is 91 acres, home of the Dallas Cowboys practice facility. If you're looking to pick up some cowboy gear, be sure to stop in at the Pro Shop next to Jerry Jones' office. As you walk through the square, you will notice cowboy memorabilia throughout. You'll see things like Hall of Fame cowboy player names and numbers lining the Star Boulevard, and statues such as the Huddle. Commonly, you will find kids throwing the football or racing a 40-yard dash on the field in front of the Ford Center. Many events are held in this lovely building, including local high school graduations. There is not a shopping center, but does offer a gym open to the public in addition to many high-end restaurants. Frisco, Texas is home of sports, including the FC Dallas MLS soccer team and Dude Perfect's headquarters. Across the street from the stadium, we will also find downtown Frisco, City Hall, and the library.
Okay, right now we are located in the Westport Lakeview Townhomes. This is going to be in the Colony, just 5 minutes down the street from Frisco, Texas, located off the Sam Rayburn Tollway. One thing I love about these townhomes is location. Location, location, location are the magic words in real estate, where we have lake view of Lake Lewisville views and townhomes in Frisco, Texas, depending if you're going to be in a 4 or 5-story townhome.
These luxury townhomes are a steal, ranging from $750,000 to $1 million. If you choose to go with a 4-story townhome, approximately 2,300 square feet, you will have clear views of the sunset over Lake Lewisville every evening. Should you choose the 5-story buildings, about 3,400 square feet, you will be able to get the best of both worlds, including lake views over the 4-story units and a far look at the high-rise buildings in downtown Frisco. Zoned for Lewisville ISD, we will be attending the Colony High School, just walking distance under 1 mile, Lakeview Middle School, and Eathridge Elementary. Its central location to the Metroplex puts us only 15 minutes away from our DFW International Airport. There are still opportunities to have a water-facing townhome or capitalize on a 5-story unit. When doing a ground-up build, we can customize these townhomes to fit your dreams, including an elevator in the 4 or 5-story option. Each townhome includes a rooftop view and built-in grill, perfect for entertaining. Let us know in the Dream Home questionnaire that you want to be in the townhomes at Westport Lakeview Villas. Grandscape is another great area if you are looking for entertainment, conveniently located off the Sam Rayburn Tollway. Just 7 minutes from the Westport Lakeview townhomes, you have easy highway access, quick commutes, and a plethora of food choices. Bordering Nebraska Furniture Mart and Shields Outdoors, you will find a movie theater, Andretti, and boutique pop-up shops. If you're lucky, maybe you too will catch a good old Texas country concert.